Welcome back, everyone. All right, we are back. So it seems like a lot of poor structure were taken out. A lot of targets. Looks like we closed the. Did we close? Yeah, we closed the gap. So gap is closed. No sound. Are you sure? No sound. Sound check. Sound check. Sound check. Seems like my sound is on here. Yeah, okay. Good. All right. Wow, missed a whole lot here, huh? Almost made a new high. Looks like we're working our way. Now we're negative. So I think it was news. Equity open, Chinese stocks stumble after Jiangxing secure third term. A whole bunch of news. All right. All right. Glad I'm back too, but I might have saved my ass not trading. Looks pretty choppy. No, and it's frozen again. Oh my god, this sucks. Oh, I thought it was fixed, but it's not. It's frozen. Man, it only happens to the MES. Why is that? What the hell is wrong with the MES? Why does it only happen to the MES? It was good for a short while, right before I started streaming. I mean, I shouldn't be having issues with my computer anymore. All right, are we back? 68.50, 69. Okay, I think we're back. Let me check on the dome. Let's see, dome 71 a quarter. Okay, 70. I think we're back. All right. All right. 70. Okay, all right. We're on the web. Okay. So it looks like we fixed some poor structure above, but it left new poor structure. So it didn't help in anything. $98.75. So it helped. Yeah. Okay. All right. Need to compose myself here. All right. So now we got poor structure here that needs to get filled. So there may be a long opportunity here, but we have 60 is our new target here on the downside. Wow, here we are at 37.55. I said if we could pass 60, we may see 3,700, negative 13 points. We are negative on the delta. Wow, hitting all of these targets, and I haven't taken any trades. All right, this target is out of the way. And this support structure out of the way. This target is almost hit. But we're almost at the end of IB. We have a new low. Oh, I need to do my extension range target. All right, let's see. Where is it today? Get my calculator here. So we opened at 79, 37.79. So on the downside, it's going to be 30. On the upside, it's 38.28. 38.28. $38.28. Okay. All right, we have POC at 95.75. Did it freeze again? All right, it froze again. All right, let me try to do another reload, all historical. Why did I mess with the chart? I think it was my strategy. Yeah, it's lagging. All right, guys, I may have to go and call it the morning. Well, it's back again. All right, if it doesn't, one more time, I'm done, guys. I'm sorry, but I cannot be trading like this. It will influence my trades. All right, that target is out of the way. Could be a long opportunity here. Oh, what did I do? I'm going to take a long. Just a quick long here. There could be a pullback here all the way to 80. I'm just going to have a quick little stop. Quick little stop if I'm alive. May not happen. So I'm going for a quick scalp, but it can go all the way up to 80. So we could test opening price. I'm going to go to opening price. But it could stop at 65. Could stop at 65. Gonna see if I could add. If I have a chance, I'm gonna add another 6 here. So this is a pullback move, but I'm banking on a test of opening price. But if it's just a pullback, it's gonna stop at 65. But first we need to see it past 60. We could pass 60, it'll definitely go to 65. And then if it could pass 70, it will go to 80. Come on, buyers. But I'm going against the grain. Delta is negative. So this is a high risk trade. So I'm going to be looking for a pullback from 65, see it fail at 60, and then maybe add. Come on, keep going, keep going. Oh. Come on. Hot knife right through 60. If we can't pass 60, it's going to take me out. So I'm hoping that we'll do a pullback into the IB for then the market decide if it wants to go for IB high or IB low. And it froze again. Wow. All right, I'm gonna reload it again, but I'm gonna have to keep an eye on the dome here. I hate dome trading. Fuck. All right. Again, it could stop at 65. Now I'm just gonna have to forget about adding because I can't stand putting orders on the dome. All right, since I'm kind of blind here, my charts are frozen. I'm gonna put stop to entry. So again, if it passes 7, it's going to go all the way to 80. Come on, charts, come back. There it is. It could be failing here. I'm getting out. I'm blind here. I'm getting out. Are my charts back? No. They're frozen. Oh, now it comes back. Oh, this is annoying. Oh, this is annoying as hell. Oh, man. All right. I'm going to see if I can re-enter this at 60. But it could be done. It could be done. All right, I'm not looking at the charts. I mean, chat. The chat is blocked by other charts. So if you have any questions, I'm sorry. I'm trying to focus here. Oh, it's gonna. All right, so it may want to fill. All right, I'm gonna take another buy here. Let's see if we could. And the charts are frozen again. Oh, shoot. Got a hot knife right through 70. Otherwise, it may end because it filled the port structure. So, come on. I'm getting out again. All right. $143. So port structure is filled. True target is 80, but I am not able to trade like I want to, so I'm getting out. But I think 80 is a solid target. I'm just getting annoyed here. Solid trade. I would have had almost 20 points already. Yep. So, great trade, but I just can't work like this. Yeah, chart is like lagging when I move it with a cursor. It's like not smooth. The ES is nice and smooth. MES is, oh, and this chart's okay, but on my main trading chart is laggy. And now it froze. Yeah, every time I move my trading chart. So my streaming and my trading is two different charts. And there it is, frozen again. Guys, I can't trade like this. I apologize. But it'll start to piss me off and I'll make mistakes. Look at that. 20 points already. I was long at look at that. There you go. 30 points that I missed out on, right? I was long at 55. Ah, this is annoying as hell. Yeah, guys, I'm going to take a break. Otherwise, this is going to screw up with my mojo. So, yeah, my MES is completely frozen. Yeah. Yeah, it sure does. All right. I may come back in the afternoon. I don't know if it's heavy because of streaming too. And now look at that. Now it comes back. Let's see if I move it, if it does it again. All right, I'm going to give it one more chance here. Seems like it's okay, but it's still laggy. Seems like it's okay. I have a brand new computer. Brand new. I have a 3070 graphic card. I have 64 in RAM. I just built a brand new computer, so it's not my computer. I just spent $4,000 on a computer. After everything said and done, I spent, yeah, I got a nice system here. Yeah, maybe it's just too much data and the streaming. I don't know. Yeah, I got a 3070 Ti. I got a Tomahawk motherboard. I have a i9 chip, 12th generation chip. I got everything. It's for gaming. I got a gaming computer, so it's not. It shouldn't be. I don't know. It shouldn't be. Look. All right. I'm gonna give it one more chance here, but tell the truth, I don't feel like trading because now I'm a little bit upset, and that could influence my trading. All right. So IB stat is in. We are in the middle here. I did mention earlier that it could be a balanced day, and it's starting to look like a balanced day. So where is POC? All right, POC is above. There could be a short opportunity here, but I would be careful with shorts now. We're positive again, almost positive on the delta. All right, let's see. We can get. The chart is frozen. Oh my God! All right, if I get stopped out here, this is my last trade. Oh, I'm out. We may have a pullback here. We may have a pullback here. Just saw some weakness. It may go all the way down to 74. It may want to test. Maybe I'm wrong and got out too early, but it may want to test this zipper here. I still like the long, but I'm just afraid of a pullback. But target is 92. So if it can't pass this area here, it's gonna pull back to 75. At least 75. So there could be a long from here. All right, it may be done with the pullback, but I would wait. I'm gonna wait because it could be from here. Now we're under opening price again, so is it failing to the upside? Are they doing outside in, and now we're gonna go for a test of IB low? So I'm still on the long side. This would have been a nice little scalp here. I wouldn't have taken it, it's too small. But if it's gonna bounce, it has to bounce from here. Otherwise, it may want to test IB low. So I got nothing. I got nothing, but I still think that market, it's looking like it wants to clear 3,800. So we have all of this poor structure above here. I think it wants to go and fill that. So the long could be from here. Not definitely a recommendation, but just an observation that if it fails here, this is the long. I'm staying out. So if you're under leverage and you're seeing a long, I think that it would be from here, but I got nothing. We're under opening price. We're under, yeah. I think they may want to come and test 60 or IB low. So I'm going to stay out. I'm staying out. Right, this could be a stop pick. So this could be the long. Still, same area. It just dipped a little more. This could be the launch. I'm staying out, but if it's gonna go, this could be a great location here. I'm not taking it, even though it could be it. God, this is so annoying. You wake up in a good mood, ready to trade, ready to make some money, and then all of this shit happens, and it's just like, oh, come on. But I did do some really good introspecting this weekend. My attitude about trolls, and I'm going to have a different attitude about newcomers who come here and challenge me. They're not going to get to me anymore. That's it. I'm done. Looks like it's trying to pick more stops, but I think it's showing some weakness. Wow, this whole move here, we lost 2,000 delta. This whole move here, that's a lot. We're almost at positive What time is that? 7:44. 7:44. So from here took us to almost positive delta, and this whole move here, now we're down 3,000. So yeah, be careful with longs. There could be a pullback now. There could be a scalp all the way to opening price. If the no, it's gone. No, I just got an error message saying that OBS disconnected and connected. Yeah, there could. Ooh, it's wow. All right, so this whole move here, wow, in a little span of time, this brought down POC. So there's a battle. Now POC is at 69. There's a battle going on. And we are negative. So there could be a test of POC, and that will make the pullback all the way up to 80. There could be a 10-point scalp if it could stay above 68. I'm not taking it, but it looks like there's at least a 10-point scalp all the way to 80. So almost a 15-point drop on POC. Yeah, it could be a 10-point scalp. If it could pass this, it's going to go all the way at 80 and test opening price. There could be a short from 80. Again, we're right in the middle of IB. I'm staying out. I'm not going to do anything. POC moved up again. Now it's at 73.50. So that may stop the 10-pointer. If you're long, I'll put a short stop, because that move the POC, yeah, the move the POC ruined it. So it looked like they bought and then they sold. I'm going to take a long. Stop. Oh, there's a report right now, huh? Shoot. Oh. Forgot about that. Come on. 75 is my target. Just a quick little scalp here. 74.50. Come on, come on. There it is. Boom. Nice little scalp. Man, I could be having a really good day here, and it sucks. All right. At least I'm positive. I'm positive $226 after commission. At least I'm positive. So, but I could have been up could have been up probably $2,000 already. 25-point trade. I could have had 5 lot on this one and 1 ES. And here I am just... Right, next target is going to be 3,800. Need to be careful here. If there could be a long entry at 80 or right now. It could be a long right now all the way to 3,800. All right, here we go. Okay, this is a high risk trade right on the mid, not where we should be trading. Oh, here comes the sellers. All right. This trade could be over. All right. Only risking $60 though, so come on buyers, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Need to pass 90. Towel line will be 90. We could pass 90. It's going to go all the way to 3,800. They're trying to block this trade. Oh, man. They're trying to block it. Yeah, I'm going to get stopped out. Boom, out. Yeah. Right. Still positive 163. So here you go. High risk trade. I said it right in the mid. I was fully aware of it. So not upset that I got stopped out. The risk I took. I may re-enter this. All right, let's go. Now the only issue here is that we have POC right underneath. So this needs to hold, otherwise it's gonna test 73. I don't really want to extend my risk here, but again, another high risk trade. Oh, and here they come. Come on, buyers, let's go. Yeah, it's going to test POC. I'm just going to leave it. Ah, it looked like it was going to go. And they just hit it with a sell sweep. All right, if I get stopped out, I'm going to take a break, guys. Seems like I'm losing my mojo here. Yep, here comes the heat. I'm tempted to move this down to 68, but that'll take me negative and I don't want to. 75. I'm going to give it a little more risk here, but this will take me negative 50 bucks. Yeah, to be really safe, I need to be at 72. Minimum of 72. I'm going to add another 5, and I'm going to scale this. Come on, let me split it. Hurry up. Decrease. Right at 86. So I can make some of this money back. Right now I'm risking $331, and I'm going to raise my stop here just in case I'm wrong. All right, risking $93, $193. Right, it's either gonna go or it's gonna fail here. Yeah, they're trying to block it. They're trying to test POC. Come on, buyers. Come on, let's go. Come on, buyers. All right, POC moved up to 80. This could be good. Do not test 72. Do not test 72. Keep going, keep going. Keep going. Come on, come on. Come on, come on. Go, go, go. Come on, scale me out. Let's go. I'm going to move this. Come on, get me out, get me out, get me out. Come on, risk off, risk off. Risk off. Go, 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 go. Go, go, go. Risk off. Go, go, go. Go, go, go. Hit it, hit it, hit it, hit it. Hit it. Yes! Yes! All right. All right. Keep going, keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Looks like I added right at the right spot. Now it could end here. It could do a outside in. Could do an outside in. Oh man, I'm tempted to bring my stop to entry. Tempted to bring my stop to entry. All right, I'm going to. I'm not in the best mojo here. If I get stopped out, I got 298 in the bank. Otherwise, I'm looking to make another 450. Ooh. I'll go sweep. Again, it could be all over here. It could test the middle again. And it took me out. All right. Actually, no. Yeah, I was above the entry, so I got $302. All right, I could still keep going here. If it finds some, oh, that looks, oh my God, that looks like a stop pick. Oh, okay, oh, that looks like a perfect stop pick. Perfect stop pick. Let's see, let's see if I'm wrong. This looks like a stop pick. Looks like a beautiful, beautiful stop pick. Like a perfect on paper stop pick. Like, All right, come on, keep going, keep going, keep going. Keep going. Do not test that stop pick. 80. All right, I need to be under 80. Wow. Let's see. Visually, this looks like a perfect stop pick. Let's see. A lot of interest at 38. Keep going, keep going. All right, it could stop at prior POC at 95. I'm tempted to get out at 95. Yeah, I'm getting out at 95. I'm not in my best mojo here. So not gonna. Ooh, we need to get a new high here. Otherwise, it's gonna pull back again. Seeing signs of a pullback. Seeing signs of a pullback. All right, stop to entry. Actually, I'm getting out with some profits. $30 more. But I'm seeing signs of a pullback again. And this will go all the way down to 80 again. So, yeah. If it could clear 91, it'll go up to, all right, I'm up $328. Might have just scared myself out of this trade, but I'm seeing signs of a pullback. Maybe I'm wrong because this was a beautiful stop pick. Absolutely perfect on paper stop pick. Yeah. Wish I had a better entry. I would have stayed on this trade, but I didn't have the best of entry. So that's why I'm out. But I'm still liking the long all the way to 3,800. I'm the one that had a shitty entry, and I'm not willing to go negative. All right, wasn't there a report out at 8 o'clock? What the hell was it? 8 o'clock, 8 o'clock. Yeah, Treasury Secretary Yellen speaks at 8. Is my squawk box on? All right, squawk box hasn't been on. All right, now it's on. All right.
So today, U.S. federal system has not been a source of economic instability and remains resilient. And is also working with regulators.
All right, let's see. Let me go back to the chat here, see if there's any questions. Sorry, I haven't been looking. God, there's a lot of stuff. All right, if there's any questions, just write them now, because I'm not gonna go and scan the whole chat. So if there's anything that you want to ask me now. Otherwise, I'm gonna look away. Let's see, which squawk do you use? I use live squawk. Tender hot. What is? I don't know what tender hot is. Oh, tender hot is that is whenever you're live, they attack your chat. So that's what it is. They are attacking my chat. So how many years of experience I have? I have about 35 years. What is a stop pick? A stop pick is when they're trying to go on a direction and they'll do a pullback to hit stops, which will give it fuel to go back in the direction that the opposite of the pullback. So the business is called a stop pick. Do you trade? No, I do not trade NASDAQ on a rotation pullback, it could be 35 to anywhere between 32 to 35 points at $25. That's $800. No, if I was to trade the NASDAQ, it would be the micro, but it's still the same pullback, so not enough liquidity. I do not trade NASDAQ. Do you tend to find Mondays hard? Yes. If hard to read, yes. Yeah, I do. Yes, I do, Irony. Good morning, Irony. Yes, Mondays are hard. Yeah. All right. What do you exactly mark on the chart, IB? I mark value areas. I mark also prior days high and low. I mark the VPOC. All right. Do you have a trade room? Yes, you are on my trade room, but I don't have a paid one. No, but this is my trading room.
Do you know, just a bunch of comments from Barry's Ramsden. And also about
I'm on my mid 50s.
have entered
Don't you see the gray hair?
new shops, he says.
I'm on my mid 50s. Yes, I have Ranko 24, Ranko 12, Ranko 6, and Ranko 4. Abu, what's up, buddy? Hope you had a good weekend. I try to do this live every week, yeah. My VPOC right now on a TPO is 80.75. On a volume, it's volume profile, it's 73.50. Okay, so a stop pick. Let's say you're going long at 80, right? Long at 80, you're gonna put a stop at 82. So market makers will go and act like it's going long, and then they'll do a pullback and take all of your stops at 82, which will add fuel. So they'll go and take your stops, which will turn to them into a buy, and they'll add fuel, right? So they'll take your stops and they'll buy more, and they'll give it fuel for the market to go back above 80. So you call that a stop pick. That's what it is. Thank you. Blame it on trading. All right, let me get back to the charts here. So, what did we see? So, we saw that pullback. Glad I got out and straight to target. So, that could have been a good trade. That could have been a good trade. So, I call that pullback all the way down to 80, and here we are, all the way down to 80. So are they gonna do another inside out, or are we gonna go and test the lower end here? So again, it's looking more and more like a balanced day. I'm up 328 after commission. So not a bad morning for all of this crap I've been dealing with. Oh, it looks like they're doing inside out. I wouldn't be over enthusiastic though. I don't know. Be careful. Be careful if you're long. This should have kept going. Be careful if you're long. Yeah, be careful, Irvin. It could just explode out of here, but needs to clear 85. If it can't clear 85, the long is dead.
Russian military chief of general staff,
So
US market, hold the phone
be
call,
careful.
has passed within the Russian.
Oh, here comes the buyer. It's gonna go. All right, now the tug of war is larger. Now it's to 88. Now it's 88, but this could have been the long. Just an observation. I wouldn't have taken it. I wouldn't have taken it. I still think that they're gonna go and challenge 65 area. So I wouldn't have taken, but this could have been it. Not my trade, but possibility. And if it keeps going, I'm not going to call this as a trade because I'm not. Yeah, this is not my trade, but just looking at patterns, this could be the long here, but I don't know. All right, we're positive. Delta is positive now. Yeah, I'm seeing signs of trying to go short again. All right, I'm just gonna take a little scalp here. One, because again we are inside, not where. All right, it's frozen again. Oh, this is driving me crazy. All right, guys, it's gonna be my last trade. It's starting to piss me off here. It's starting to piss me off. Right, I'm going for 70 here. This. If it could clear 80, it's going straight to target. So I'm only risking $20. Uh, I'm going to give myself a little more room here, all the way up to 85 and a quarter. I shouldn't be moving this because it looks like it found some buyers, but I'm just going to see if I can keep this trade alive. Now I'm risking, no, actually I need to be at 90, but I'm just going to move it to, yeah, I need to be at 90. Now I'm risking a lot more. All right, now I'm risking 35 bucks. And I think I'm going to add another one. All right, now I'm risking $61. Oh, here comes the buyers. All right, I think I made a mistake. All right, guys, I'm down to 265 positive. I'm going to take a break. Yeah, my yours is freezing also, Lawrence. Yeah, mine is sluggish. All right, guys, I'm going to take a break here. No way. It took me out to come all the way down. Ah, I knew that was a good short. Where did it go? Oh, no way. I missed it by 2 ticks. My stop was at 90, right? Where was it? At 90. I missed it by 2 ticks. Oh my God. Solid short. Watching. So my target is 90. I'm sorry. 37.70 is my target. Ah, I can't believe that. By 2 ticks it took me out. No way. If it doesn't stop here, it will either go to 70 or it will go all the way down to 61. Ah, this is annoying as hell. Oh my God. Yep, that's what it says. I got taken out at 37.90. I knew 90 was gonna be where it would stop. 90-ish. Oh man. So where was I short from? I was short from 85. Yep, I went short at 80, 83, and then I added another one at 84.75. Oh my God. All right, I'm gonna take a break, otherwise I'm gonna get annoyed. So I'm still liking the short here, so they're, yeah, at least a minimum of a 15-point trade here. Especially if it stays under 80. If it stays under 80, it may even do IB low. Well, if you're not short, if it fails up here, this could be the next leg to join the short. Past needs to fail now. Needs to fail now. Oh man, I'm tempted to jump on this again. Wow, battle of the mid. Now, was that news? 19. No, that's Dirty Bomb? Could that be Chief Staff? Some Russian guy held phone call with U.S. counterpart to discuss the risk of dirty bomb in Ukraine, according to RIA. Is that news? Oh, I'm tempted to take a short again. All right, I'm gonna try a short out of here. Let's see. So IB stat is open. I'm looking for a balanced day. So, but I'm trading right in the middle, this high risk trade. So on a balanced day, you want to be outside in. I'm going to stop this. I'm out. So I guess that was just half a trade here, not straight to target. All right, starting to get very challenging here, guys. Very challenging. Very challenging. So here we are at the 90 again. So we have poor structure above. So this is a solid target right here. All of this here is all solid target. So I'm interested in another short, but I'm afraid of 3,800. All right, let's see. This could be a mistake here. This could be a mistake. Needs to fail now. So I'm looking for an outside in trade. Outside in. I'm looking for all of this to be resistance. Hold it. If this can't hold, this is going to be launch all the way past 3,800. If it fails here, I believe that we may see IB low. So this is going to be a decision point of either breaking IB high or breaking IB low. $93. I need to add a little more risk here. All right. What am I risking now? I'm risking 172. 172 to make 550. So nice little risk. Oh, all right. Actually, I need to be at 94. I might have to add a little more risk here. Really don't want to. I might have to add another $30 of risk. All right. Come on. Gotta run hot knife right through 80. So I'm looking for a outside in trade. High value area is at 89 and a quarter. We have a lot of, where is it? Poor structure from all of this area here in the bottom is all poor structure. Coinciding with IB low. Let's see how delta is positive, but NQ is negative. NQ is negative. If we could bust through 80, I think this will turn out good. Gotta bust through 80. Hot knife right through 80. Right through 80. Now we might be overbought here. So true target is IB low 51. But it could stop at 64. It could stop at 64. Come on, hot knife right through 80. Let's go. Right, POC is at 80. A lot of interest at 90. There's about 185 orders waiting at 90. Here comes the heat. So I need a stop pick right at 90. No. All right. Yeah, it looks like I'm going to get stopped out. Ooh, here comes the sellers. If we don't see a 91, we may have a pullback, at least 6 points here, and then it can go right through 80 if it picks up momentum. So it should do a little small pullback here, all the way to at least 82, 83. And then if it could pick up momentum, it will keep going. I don't want to see a 91. Oops. I don't want to see a 91. Come on, keep going, keep going. Here comes the buyers. Let's see, I haven't taken, oh, okay. The IB high looks a little weak. I forgot to look at that. IB high looks weak, but so does the IB low. So both are up for grabs. So if we could pass 80 and it does a little pullback, if we could pass 80 and it hits 75 and then it pulls back to 80, I may add another 5. So first we gotta pass is this little area here. If we could pass this, then pretty sure we'll go to 80. And this here needs to stay as resistance. NQ almost positive again. Come on, NQ. Come on. Dump 50 points. Dump 50 points, AQ. NQ, go, go, go. Here we go. Here we go. So this pullback needs to turn into a full reversal, not a pullback. So it's got to go right through this support area. Wish I had a better entry. I wish I was short at 88.50. They're buying. All right, risking $200 here. 204. Before commissions. battle going on right here.
Trading venues.
And Q keeps dropping. Oh, let's take a look at a heat map. What is a heat map? Heat map. Oh, it's pretty mixed. But Amazon is down. Facebook is down. Financials are mostly all negative. Yeah, but it looks like 85% of the S&P is positive. Ooh, hidden order. It could be an iceberg. No, it looks like it was a hidden buy. Now there's a hidden order waiting at 204. Ooh, looks like a sell order. All right, we may have an iceberg at 84.75. Already 200 orders filled. There could be a sell iceberg. All right, I hope it's a sell iceberg. Oh, and they pulled it. That's interesting. So, if it was a buy, they got scared and they pulled it. If it was a sell, why didn't it wait until it got filled? So, I think it was a buy iceberg and they pulled it, so they may be scared here of buying more. Again, it's my own interpretation. You have to go and decide on your own what an order is, if it's a buy or a sell. But I don't know. So IB stat still open. We're an hour past IB and still haven't broken IB high or low. And we haven't also made a new high or a new low. Right? 13. Yep. So we are in balance. Oh, here comes the heat. Here comes the heat. NQ is still positive. Alright, I think my trade is done. Alright. Yep. Thinking, unless this is a stop pick. Unless if I see a sign of a stop pick, I'm going to add another 5. So far it's looking like one. No, I don't think it's a stop pick. It could be, but it's not a really clear one, so I am not going to add. I may lose an opportunity here, but I'll be happy with 5 at target. But it's not looking like a stop pick. And there it is, not a stop pick. Oh, I'm in trouble. Take me out. Boom. All right. Still negative $55. All right. There's a chance I took. Not upset. I think it was a solid short. Outside in. But they are the ones who make the rule. They are the ones that say where the outside is, right? right? So all of this is all poor structure above that needs to get filled. We have a poor RTH high and a poor RTH low also. This could be the launch here to go long. I'm going to stay out. I got nothing. I'm going to stay out. I'm still liking the short, but I want to make sure that I'm not stuck on a short bias. So if it goes down, I'm just going to lose the opportunity. But I'm still liking the short. I still see a correction all the way down to 75. 70, 75. But I'm not taking it because I could just be stuck on a short bias here. And I don't want to. Yeah. But all of this could all be support. NQ is positive. YM is positive. Market is positive. Delta now is positive 2000. I think that we are almost overbought. All right, IB high is at 850. Is that what it is? 38,850. Is that IB high? Yep. Or is it 75? No, it's 850. Yeah, I'm still liking the shorts, but I could be stuck here. I'm just gonna wait. So a lot of interest at 3,800. There's 190 orders waiting up there. So definitely a magnet. We have a port structure. There could be a 10-point scalp. All right, here, let's go. Let's go. Let's see if I can make some of this money back. All right. Don't want to be stuck on a bias, so I'll give the long a go here. But tell you the truth, I'm still thinking of shorts. Not sold on the long. But on paper, this looks like a solid long structure, at least all the way to 98. So as a day trader, I need to readapt, and that's what I'm doing. But my inner gut feeling is that we are overbought. But I'm seeing signs here on the chart that market wants to go long. Maybe I just got a shitty entry here, and it's still all right. 83. Yeah. There could be an adding opportunity here. I'm going to add another 6 here. Another 3, I'm sorry. Another 3. Not the best R&R here. We're risking 146 to make 183.
Just pointing out the UK 5-year sovereign CDS fall 30 basis points, 35 basis points to Friday's close. Realised until September 23rd, according to S&P Global Market Intelligence. Also on UK banks, HSBC, Barclays, NatWest, their 5-year CDS have run road as well.
Come on, hot knife right through. All right, I'm gonna try. Let's see if we could get up a little bit in here. Let's see if I could be first in line here to exit this. But it could all end at 3,800. Could all end at 3,800. There's going to be a lot of sellers up there. All right. If I get stopped out, I'm going to take a break. I'm going to go and take my dog for a walk. So on this move, I'm betting that all of this is all support over here. All support. Boom, long. Let me give myself a little more room here. Come on, the charts are all laggy. Now it's horrible R&R. All right, this needs to be a stop pick here. I don't want to see an 87. If I see an 87, it's going down. It's got to stop now. Buyers need to come in now. No. I think I should have went with my gut. Your gut is your second brain. You guys know that, right? It has almost been proven scientifically that it's your second brain. All of those micro organisms in your stomach, they do influence you. Take me out. All right. I'm going to take a break, guys. I'm making mistakes here, and I don't want to have a horrible Monday. I should have been short and not listening to myself. I'll be back. All right, here we are. Wow. So I guess that was a good long. But I was not willing to risk. Not willing to risk. And this looks like a solid stop pick. See, so here you are. If you want to know what a stop pick is, that is it right here. So people went long at 84.50, probably had there's, or they went long anywhere between 86.50 and 84.50. So they had their stops under 84. The market came down, took all of those stops, which added as fuel, and then it made the market launch. Sometimes it just needs help, you know? And it's exactly what it did. So now we're filling in the port structure above. Now, if it could hold this, we may see a new high. And then if it does a new high, then we'll start looking for these long targets on the upside. So we have 11, which will be underneath a new high. So that this is a solid target here. Oh, I'm tempted to take a long here. All right, let's go. Let's go. Hope I'm not buying the top here and all of these retailers go short. So not the best place to go long because a lot of retailers are going to be going short. But if it's going to launch out of 3,800, this is the opportunity. So no stops and no icebergs here at 3,800. I really need to be under 94 with my stop. I am not safe at 97. All right, again, this is a high risk trade because retailers are probably going short here. All right, I'm going to add another 6 here. Another 6. I keep saying that. I'm going to add another 3. I'm going to have to go and split this because I don't think that I am fully safe with this. All right, so it could all end at the end of the support structure here, or it could keep going. Here, oh, iceberg. All right. Okay, I'm going to have to take a whole lot of risk here, and the reason is that this could be a buy iceberg. If I can get this chart to move, this could be a buy iceberg, and if it is, it's going to launch this all the way up. Oh, it was on the sell side. It printed as a sell, 900. But it could still be a buy iceberg to give this market strength to pass through 3,800. Stay above.
Absorption, yes.
All right, absorption. This needs to be a sell absorption. If it's a buy, my trade is in trouble. All right, it's a sell. This could be excellent trade here. All right, I'm tempted to split this. All right, I'm going to split it, and I'll just manage it. God, this chart is so laggy. Oh, it's annoying. All right. Hopefully this is a buy iceberg, and this could turn out to be a really good trade. So everything is positive. Delta is positive. That could be a buy iceberg. We had a sell absorption. So sell absorption mean all of the limit orders that were sell were taken and more were bought. So it's like almost like a reversal. All right, this could turn out to be a really good trade. Come on, buyers. Come on, keep going. All right, I'm gonna go and raise this one here, see if we could make just a quick little new high. A push all the way to 14. So this could turn out to be a $400 trade, which will bring me back to positive, because right now I'm negative, what is that? Can't see. 153 negative. Come on, make that a buy iceberg. Oh, another iceberg. Already 650. Oh my God. Yeah, it's up for grabs here. But we're so close to IB high. That was 1,000 icebergs, so 1,900 icebergs, right at 3,800. So either gonna have an explosion up here and see a minimum of 15 points, or we're gonna go all the way down to 80. Here comes the buyers. Come on, keep going. So not an iceberg trader, but we are at such a significant psychological number that an iceberg buy at this point here, I think, would be pretty obvious, or pretty obvious that these are buy icebergs, but they're both on the sell side. So they're both above price. So I'm just interpreting that it is a buy, not a sell. Come on, keep going. All right, what am I risking here? Ooh, here comes the heat. $217. Do not want to see this market under 3,800. So even though it could be a buy iceberg, if it picks up momentum here, people will go and jump on it, and the opposite of what the iceberg was intended could happen. Because it's being printed as a sell, and then people say, oh, here we are under 3,800. It is a sell, and then everybody just joins in, and then the intention of the iceberg fails. And this is why I don't follow icebergs, because it could fail. All right. It's not looking good here. Not looking good. But this does not look like a stop pick. On paper, this does not look like a stop pick, but this could be right here. This could be. Oh, I'm tempted to add another 6 here. I'm gonna add another. Oh, I hope it's not a mistake. Oh yeah. Hope it's not a mistake. Okay, why did I only get filled? Oh, it was a 5. I thought I was adding 6. I added 5. All right, I'm gonna go and split this risk here. No, I'm just gonna keep it together. All right, now I'm risking $362. Oh, another iceberg. Ah. Already 600, 700 filled. All right, I think I made a mistake adding. I'm gonna have to give myself a little more risk here, just so I could be under this right here. But I think I'm looking for support at my green line. All right, come on. God, this chart is so slow. Oh. Got to trade on the dome here. So I'm hoping that, all right, that was another 1,000 iceberg. So it's now or never. If we see 95, then all of these were sell icebergs. All right. If I get stopped out, guys, I am done. I'm going to go and take a break, and I may be back in the afternoon, or I may take some trades of my own later on. Focus to try to make my money back here. So hopefully I'm right on this, and these are buy icebergs. All right, this could turn out to be a nice little $900 trade here. Come on, hot knife right through 3,800. Let's go. Hot knife. So if that is another sell iceberg, this is just responsive buying. The iceberg created a void, and the market responds by buying, and then it resumes going down to take me out. Or it is truly a buy iceberg, and we're going to go straight to make a new high. So I need this to be initiative buying because of the iceberg. Oh, another iceberg. My God. Oh, hidden order. That was hidden order. Another iceberg. Come on. Hold, hold, hold. Wow. They're really... No, hidden order. Looks like they're adding to that iceberg. Here comes the buyers. Yeah, we got to clear 0250. We could clear 0250. I think this won't start to improve. Right, they're trying to block it at 0150 and at 05. Got a hot knife right through 38. Come on, break IB high. Let's go. Here comes the buyers. Go, 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 go. tempted to add another 5. All right, it's now or never. Now or never. Now or never. All right, gotta trade off the dome here. Now I'm risking 560. 560. Come on. Oh, a big sell. All right, this will make me 750 negative. Come on, buyers. Let's go. NQ up 25. A lot of interest. Oh, it's going to take me out. A lot of interest at 89.75. What is resistance again? Resistance is at 3,800 and 38.35. So, but it's not always valid doing RTH, so we could still go and break and make a new high and then close under 3,800. Or it could be holding during RTH. You never know. Now, if this was a perfect world, the true target on the upside is 38.76. That is a solid, but yeah, it could, if these are buying icebergs, this could just create a flush to just go. If we could pass 3,800, next target on the upside is 38.33. All right, I'm going to set a runner all the way up there just in case. All right, let's see here. All right, come on. This is what I have here. God, this chart is so, doesn't move. All right, that's what I'm going for. Let's see. Let's see. It's got to explode out of 3,800. So we still have my extension target here, range target at 28. That would coincide with all of this weak structure. We have resistance at 38.35, which would also coincide with this weak structure. I just don't want a stop pick to then resume the long. Here we go. Here comes the buyers. We gotta pass 0.5 and then make an IB high. So this is a tug of war line right there. We could pass that. I think buyers will start to jump on board. Come on, baby. Go, go, go. Explode out of here. Launch. Come on. Elon, where are you? Launch pad. Let's go. Come on. Let's go. Countdown. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come on, launch. Here comes the buyers. Go, go, go. All right, if you got any questions, I'm sorry I'm not looking at the chat. Concentrating on my trade here. Oh my God, they keep trying to block this. All right, POC moved up. Now we are at 3,800, so a lot of trades are taking place here. So where did it come from? Just hope we don't do a price check. My trade will be in trouble. Wow, big move. 20-point move. So it went from 80, 37.80 to 3,800. We need to leave this POC behind. Go, go, go. Got a hot knife right through 05. Hot knife right through 05. Hope I'm not being greedy on my scales. They could all stop right before I be high. Fill in all this poor structure and just end. Oh no, here comes the sellers. They're trying to do a POC price check. Oh, come on. Do not let this go under. Now or never. Here comes some selling. This could be a stop pick. Under a smaller time frame, it could be a stop pick. No, it's not. Oh, it could be. It could still be. It could still be. Come on, hot knife right through. No, it was not. They sold right at POC. Right, I need retailers to be exhausted here. And my stop is not at a good position. Battle of 3,800. All right, I need to answer this phone call. I'll be back, guys. Here we go, boys and girls. Come on. Right through. Hot knife. Come on. Break IB high. Let's make a new high. All right, back to being positive. Come on, I need to get paid. This annoying day needs to pay off. Oh, they're trying to stop it here. So it's a roadblock, but it's not really anything besides a little bit of a little selling area. It shouldn't really hold us. It shouldn't really hold us. Come on. The break of IB high needs to be violent. Momentum. It cannot pick at it. We gotta go right through 11 and then maybe a little bounce at what's the high? Little bounce at 12, but we don't want to see it test IB low. I mean IB high. So it needs to go right through. A little selling before we make the new high. Oh, big sell. Wow. What was that? Wow, I thought, I guess I was wrong at 05. Or another iceberg. No, hidden order. Maybe I was wrong at 05. I thought I knew it was going to be a little bump in the road, but they sold a lot there. Yep. We could have a pullback here. If we don't see it, if we don't see an 06, it's going to go straight to my stop. At least to 95. So if we don't see an 06, the market is going all the way down on 95. So this could be a short opportunity if you don't think the market is going to keep going. You could take a short here. Not a recommendation, just an observation. You could take a short here, stop it at 06, target 95. Obviously, I'm on the buy side, so I'm hoping that we do pass 06. But this could be a pullback. This could be a pullback all the way down to 95. Come on, 06, come on, go, 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 go. Here comes the buyers. Come on, come on. Come on. Go, go, go. Yes, go, keep going, keep going. Break that IB. Yes, all right. So that pullback was killed. Oh, my. That pullback was killed. Awesome. But we still haven't cleared it. Need to see IB high. IB high. Flush right through it. No hesitation at all. Here comes the buyers. Come on, let's go. All right, we need to fix this poor structure here. We're already halfway in it. So it could all end at IB high. I'm sorry, at 1150. It could all end at 1150. Comes the buyers. Come on, hot knife right through IB, right through IB. No hesitation. No hesitation. Needs to have momentum. Come on, keep going, keep going, keep going. It's got to be violent right through. Here comes the buyers again. Come on, come on. Hot knife right through. Hot knife. Come on, come on, come on. It looks like retailers are trying. Yeah, it looks like retailers are going short already. They're front running the IB and trying to be first in line on the short. Yep. All right, this is dangerous now. It can go all the way back down to 3,800. Yep, it can go all the way down. So I'm not going to be scared out of this trade if it goes back down. It could just be a pullback. A pullback, retailers going short right before IB. Now, I would have been more worried if it had hit IB and then gone short. Then I would have been worried, but it went short before IB, so it could be retailers front running the short. So I think this trade is still solid. Now, if it gets under 3,800, then this trade could be over. Need to find support at 01. 0175. Otherwise, this is going to be a solid pullback. So the target on the pullback is 3,800. So it needs to stop right here. Come on, buyers. Step in. Let's go. Hot knife right through 09. Come on. Here comes some buying. Yeah, again, 05 is the tug of war line. We got to once again. Now, this needs to turn into support. Got a hot knife right through. Make a new swing high. And then go right through IB. Oh, looks like we have another iceberg at 04. Hopefully just a hidden order adding to the long. Oh, and they pulled it. Only 131 got filled. Apologize if I'm not answering any questions. I'm not looking at the chat. I'm concentrating on my trade here. Oh, we didn't pass it, huh? It nibbled a little bit of '05, but yeah, I don't want to see a test 3,500 again. That that to me will show weakness. We should have kept going, but it could just be a solid pullback. So it will just be correction and then resume the long again. Again, I'm not afraid unless we get under 3,800. There should be enough retailers going long at 3,800 to block it. If we get under 3,800, then they stop the market from doing IB high, which shows weakness on the buying side. So that would mean that we would go all the way down to at least 80 again. Yeah, if we can't break IB high, it's going all the way down to 80. Oh my God, it was looking so good for a second. I was positive. Almost 500 bucks. All right, it has to hold here. It's gotta hold here. Cannot go inside of this box at all. Come on, buyers. All right. So we are at psychological number. We are at POC. If buyers don't step in, I'm getting stopped out. So nice little pullback trade. Obviously, I didn't take it because I'm long. And there's no way I would have exited that because we were so close to IB high. So there's no point in telling me, oh, you left money on the table. No. Chances are, being up there, that we were going to break IB high. I'm letting my trade run. I mean, if it was 12, okay, maybe. All right, it can't clear 12. Maybe I should think about bringing my stop up. All right, this pullback needs to end. So nice little 8-point trade. All right. Not looking good. Wow. So this could be a sign. If it doesn't reverse now, not breaking IB high could be a sign that we're done on the upside. So we need to pass 05 now. This needs to go to 05 now. Otherwise, we're going back down to 80. Gotta find support at 3,800. Find support at POC. We need inside out traders to come in. Otherwise, outside in. We need inside out. We need inside out traders to come in. Otherwise, this is an outside in trade to take us all the way down to 80 and maybe even break IB low. Ah, man. Come on, buyers. Let's go. Another hidden order. Hopefully it's another buy iceberg here. No. It was an ad. Looks like it was an ad order of 200. Come on, buyers. Come on. Let this be a buy order. Not an easy day to trade. Again, Mondays. If you're a beginner, you shouldn't be trading Mondays and Fridays. You should not be trading Mondays and Fridays. Mondays is when professional traders are putting in orders that may be till Friday. They're putting in orders that have stacked up since Friday afternoon, and then orders from people already putting in on Sunday night. So not a day that you want to be trading. And then Friday is when most of the time they're exiting those trades. So if you're trying to pass a evaluation, you shouldn't be trading Mondays and Fridays. All right, I'm not liking this trade anymore. All right, if I get stopped out, I'm done. I'm going to take a big break, and maybe I'll try to take some afternoon trades on my own to try to make my money back without the distraction of streaming. Come on, buyers, let's go. God, the trade was looking so nice. Picked up momentum. We did a new higher low, another higher low. But this right here is not looking optimal. Come on, inside out traders, let's go. Buy POC. Buy 3,800. Delta is still positive. Market is positive. NQ is positive. The only thing negative is silver and gold. Come on, hot knife, let's go. Come on, smoke that butter. Hot knife right through. Sizzle. Sizzle. Right through 06. Yeah, if we could pass this right here, be home, freed home. Let's go. Let's go. They're trying to block it at 05. 125 orders waiting. If you guys are looking to add some screens, if you're a Costco buyer, go to Costco. The specials are right now. They have I believe a 65 inch TV for $400. Oh no, selling. Big sell order right there. Yeah. All right, if you finding any of this useful, please hit me up with a thumbs up so it could help other traders find me, find us, so they can come and trade with us. I would appreciate that. There's a lot of people watching and not a lot of thumbs up. All right, this is no good. This was definitely a sell order right here. Unless it was clearing of trades and now it made a reactive sell. But now I am not feeling it anymore. We should have kept going here. Yeah, I think my trade is in trouble. Yeah, we shouldn't be down here again. Unless this turns out to be a stop pick on paper. Doesn't look like one. Yeah, I think my trade's in trouble. All right, that's going to make me negative 158. Yeah. Going to be negative about a little less or a little more than $700. Yeah, that not making the IB high and now being under 3,800, that could be the tell that they just couldn't find enough buyers to keep going. Buyers agreed with the sellers that price is too expensive, and they just stepped out. Okay. All right. If we don't find support here at my green line, it's gonna fake me out. Yeah. This is the last chance on the pullback here. So it looks like it looks like a wave 5, right? Wave on a smaller time frame. Wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now resume the trend. So perfect little beautiful 5-wave pattern right here. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now it should resume up if it is a 5-wave pattern. But then on a bigger picture, this could be a pullback of a wave 3, right? 1, 2. I don't think this is 3 or an end of a 3. Let's see. Let's see if I can make some sense of this. I might move my stop lower if this looks like a wave 3. Let's see. So if it is a wave 3, so this would be 1, beginning of 2. So 1, 2, 3 up. First target of 3 is anywhere between 12 and 14. An extreme 3 would be between 27 and 29. Now let me look at a Renko 6. See if this is, yeah, on a Renko 6. On a Renko 6. Pull back. Yeah, on a Renko 6 we could also be on a wave 3 up. That would be even a longer target to the upside. First target on, no, it will be almost the same. Let's take a look at a 12. A 12. 12, we could have just ended two options on a 12. We just ended a 5 wave pattern, or we are also on a wave 3, and that would be a really longer target. No, about the same. So they're all in the same area as far as target. On a 12 Renko, the first target is between 8 and 11, so break IB high. Second target is between 24 and 26, and extreme wave 3 is all the way up to 43. On a Renko 6, first target again, break IB high between 11 and 14. Second target between 25 and 27, and extreme 40 and 43. So 3 time frames are most likely coinciding that we are on a wave 3. And here we are above again. So that could have, we might have just have seen the end of that pullback. Come on, baby. Go, 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 go. Need to break that 0506 area. We could do that. It's going to make a new RTH high. So far we're only on the RTH high, right? Which is IB high. Overnight high is at 38.13. All right, here we are again. All right, guys, I need to do a restroom run here. I'll be right back. Wow, they're really trying to block it at between 03 and 05, huh? All right, this could be a good sign, though. We went right through 3,800. Didn't hesitate at all. Delta 2000 positive. Everything is positive. Okay. We need the market to think that this is cheap. oversold. Not overbought, oversold. This is cheap. Price needs to go higher. Price needs to go higher. This is too cheap. Buy, buy, buy. Okay, a lot of interest at 38.10. 240 orders waiting up there. That could be a solid little target. That would break IB high. Come on, hot knife. Right through 04, right through 07, right through 09. Here we go. Come on, right through 04. Go, go, go. Now, not an easy morning to trade. They're definitely trying to fake out retailers. If you're getting chopped up, don't feel bad because it's not an easy day. You guys are looking to start a evaluation, or you don't have any coupon codes. In my description, I got half off Apex, or if you're earn to trade, I got 20 off. I think they're both of them are the best companies to work with. Look at that. They're trying to block it. This could be just a little squeeze here. On paper here, this may look like a stop pick right there. What is that? That is, what time is that? 9:49. Yep, this could be a stop pick right here. Right there. Gotta blow right through 04. Right through 04 and right through 06. It needs momentum. Here comes the buyers. Go, go, go. Oof. We're trying again. Here it is. They pulled almost all of the orders out of 05 right before it hit. I mean 04. So 04 was all spoof. All fake orders. Wow, they pulled all of them. Yep. It went from 143 orders to no, still some. Yeah, they pulled about 90 of it. All right, if I get out of here, I'll be positive $160. Come on, come on. Stop messing around. Let's go. Come on, come on. Wish I had more room. I would move my stop to entry. If it's a sluggish break of IB, I'm going to think about moving my stop to entry. If it's violent, then I'm just going to leave it where it's at. But if it just nibbles at IB high and it starts to pull back, I think I'm going to move my stop to entry. Wow, this zone is really being targeted. Nice little battle. So this is creating almost a, it has created a double distribution. So we could have this here would have been the bottom of the second distribution. So this could have added it could have happened to be outside in traders. So I may have my stop at a really good location, but to really be safe, I need to be under 89. Oh. Yeah, it struggled up here, huh? Just couldn't do it. Now, we may have inside out traders testing the low area of the double distribution, and my stop would be a risk. It may not mean that the long is over, but just that they're going for the low end of this double distribution. Value area low volume node, and I don't know if I want to risk moving my stop. I'll be adding $400 in risk. $400 more in risk. All right, all of this here may be a sign that it's over. If you're long, be careful. I'm going to let this play out, but we should have breaking out of this. Here we are again under 3,800. Retailers going short here. Otherwise, it would have stopped at 01, right? Unless all of this is another stop pick, but it doesn't look like it. Yeah. I think my trade is in trouble. Again, if I get stopped out, I'm going to end my streaming. I gave it my all. Not upset about this trade. It was looking good. I should have stayed on the trade from earlier instead of getting out. I should actually stayed at my long at 55. But I was dealing with all of that chart freezing, and all of that really screwed up my mindset. But the true trade was long at 55. That was the true trade. That was a nice call. Right at the low there, huh? Long at 55. Should have never gone out of it. Yep. Could have had a nice 50-point trade. Well, it's not over till the fat lady stomps my stop. All right, so I'll be negative about $700. Here comes the sellers. Ooh, this could be a stop pick. This could be a stop pick. Nope, it's not. For a second, it looked like a stop pick. 1 second, it looked like a stop pick. From here, right? They went long, market comes down, picks all of the stops, resumes long. Yeah. We could pass 3,800 again. This is a stop pick. But here comes the buyers. Go, go, go. Go, go, go. This could be a stop pick. We could pass 3,800 again. But all of this, lower highs. If you're going short, this is one you want to see. Lower high, lower high. This could be another lower high. So not looking good unless we break 3,800 again. They had some orders at 98 and they pulled it. Oh man, sucks. Yeah, I'm not unhappy about any of my trades. I'm just bummed out that I was having issues with the chart, and that kind of screwed up my mojo. But I've made some good calls. I made some good pullback calls. I've called the long at 55. So not too bummed out. All right, it's gonna take me out. All right, guys, I am done. Well, God, it would be beautiful if we could just launch out of here and just go. I mean, obviously, I can't call this as a long because we're under 3,800, but this could be it. I would have never taken this. If it resumes going up, I would have never taken this, but it could be it. This could be it. Yep. It would go straight to IB high. I mean, pattern-wise, it could be a launch, but we're under 3,800. So I would be short. This to me looks like a short. So I would have never initiated this, but maybe I'll get lucky. But this to me looks like a short. And this will take the market all the way down to 80 if this is a short. So 50-50 on this here. But we are outside in. Market failed to make IB high. We're under 3,800. But then on the other hand, delta is positive, market is positive. So it's a toss. It's a toss. I got no call. Obviously, I hope it goes my way, but I have no call at all. At all. But on paper, it looks like it has started to initiate another leg of the short. Lower high, lower high, lower high, lower high. Now if it breaks 3,800, then everything has shifted again to the upside. And we lost a lot of delta. We went from being positive. What is the high of the delta? Wow. On the 24-hour, we are positive. On the RTH, we are now is 1,000. But on this little low here, we were almost negative. Actually, we went. No, did we go negative? Hold on, let's see. No. At 10:01, we almost went negative. 10:01, right here. Almost went negative. We were positive 200, and now we are back almost at 1,000 again. All right, a lot of interest at 01. 365 orders waiting at 01. Hopefully, it's all buys to add to the longs. So really uncertain if all of those icebergs were buys. We should have broken IB high. So, or maybe it was clearing of trades from the longs at the bottom. So not really clear. All right, come on. Hot knife right through 38 and right through 01. God, I can't believe this trade is still alive. This is insane. I thought it was gonna be. God, I got 3 ticks away. If this, if this goes to target, and I didn't get stopped out because of 3 ticks, that would be amazing. It's like, oh, what a beautiful day. Chose the right spot for my stop. Right, retailers again. Trying to go short here. Front run the short. It looks like we are oversold. And exhausted on the sell side. Now, got a hot knife right through 38. Can't do that. Then this trade's over. And here we are again. Oh, come on. Survive, survive, survive. Oh, man. They sold it right at 99. All right. It's going to take me out. All right, guys. I'm done. I am done. Yeah, this time it doesn't look like I'm going to survive. All right, guys, I'm done. Negative $727 after commission. All right, I tried. Didn't go, didn't happen. Yep, I tried. Yeah, looks like that we're taking profits. Nothing I can do. All right. I appreciate you all watching. You can give me some thumbs up. I may come live again on the afternoon. I'm not sure, but I'm definitely gonna be looking at trying to make this money back. Most likely, I'm just gonna go and trade on my own here, so I can focus in trying to make this money back. But Benny is up. I'm gonna go and take him for a walk. All right, guys. I appreciate you all watching. I wish you the best of luck, and if you don't see me in the afternoon live, I'll catch you live here in the Thunderdome. Thank you.